In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can bioscan the Needler Mango here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, we're going to go ahead and start near the giant alien structure, and it's actually pitch black right now for whatever reason, so it's a little hard to see, but we're at the giant alien structure right now. You can kind of see it right there. This is going to be located about 1,800 meters east of the life pod itself, so go ahead and make your way over to this giant alien structure. And you're looking specifically while you're driving over here for like this weird like glowing tower right here. I'll go ahead and pause in 1 second so I can give you guys these exact coordinates, but this is actually where those Needler mangoes spawn in very frequently. I'll pause real quick. The coordinates are going to be down in the bottom right, but once again, if you're at the life pod, you can head directly east towards the giant alien power plant and you'll see this right here. Once you're here, and this I believe is called the Rosetta Stone area, go ahead and head downward a little bit, and this is actually where those Needler mangoes actually stay. It looks like we got one right here. I do apologize, it is dark right now inside of Subnautica, so it is a little hard to see. But what you need to do is wait for them to start shooting their like needles or whatnot at your vehicle itself. As soon as they do that, you can go ahead and just get out and then scan as they're focused on your vehicle itself. That's actually the easiest way to go ahead and do it. The process really is kind of simple. If you guys had any questions though, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace. Also, I want to say these guys actually look like so cool.